Unexpected encounters between police officers and wild animals have been fully captured on body cam footage. From bears and crocodiles to some of the most dangerous creatures in the wild. You won't believe what happens next. Stay tuned for Police versus Wild Animals. Bodycam captures everything. A real-life lesson for the hawk: one moment of carelessness while hunting, and it immediately became the prey. If a deputy officer hadn't been patrolling nearby to intervene, this king of the sky would have been finished by the snake.
Bear, get out of here, Bear. Go, get out of here, Bear.
This suspect was small, extremely agile and evasive, and even ran while making baba sounds as if mocking the officers on duty.
See that? Yeah.
Oh, good.
He's a big one.
Yeah, he's extra large. Yeah, this morning.
Chris, let me get a picture of that.
Oh my God.
This special customer went to the supermarket without bringing a wallet. Fortunately, the Alaska police are already familiar with these furry visitors, and they handled the situation calmly and professionally without frightening the bear.
Hey, buddy. That area off of there.
Stuck again. Truly a case of food obsession with no way out. The rescue team must already be very familiar with this big guy, and next time they get a call from that area, they'll probably already know exactly who they're going to rescue.
Come on, attaboy.
Just moving back and forth.
Now he don't want to get out. Wow, he's big.
A highly dangerous rescue operation. This bear must have been in a state of panic to climb a tree and get stuck like that. Fortunately, the police arrived in time to provide assistance.
Hey, buddy.
We can't cuff them, but you got to leave the grandmas alone. We're going to take you downtown.
I'm tired out. You don't want to jump on him if he's got a bunch of spunk in him.
This is likely the most unusual home intrusion case of the year.
Hey, if you want, you want to pet it, you can pet it. Business end is.
Never leave a pet alone inside a hot car. It's unclear where the kangaroo escaped from, but this chase really looks like something straight out of a movie. It's unclear how the crocodile got into the school, but it was definitely a memorable day for everyone.
Yeah, hold on to him, hold on to him. Get him. I am not a cowboy. Come on, come on. All right. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh my God! Oh, there comes the mother.
The way he approached and gently carried the fawn shows that he is deeply compassionate toward animals.
Come on. There we go. Got him?
It must have been too hot, so this guy just crawled into a sewer to take a nap, but ended up getting picked up by a whole police team.
Okay, when I lift, just kind of walk.
In Florida, you never know who your neighbors might be today.
Easy.
Oh, you're gonna hurt
Easy.
yourself. Oh.
Easy.
Oh.
Go on the side. Grab the rope. 1, 2, 3. Pull up. Just watch out. He's gonna pop up. Easy. Easy.
If you saw two dogs falling into an icy lake like this, would you jump in to save them or call for rescue right away?
Okay, but can I pick it up?
Yeah, it's gonna whip your arm.
This is not wild.
It's gonna whip your leg.
See? It's fine.
Thankfully, they were pulled out in time just a few more minutes, and it might have been too late. I never expected to see a chase involving an emu right in the middle of a city. Animal control officers truly have a difficult job, constantly dealing with unexpected situations. The way the officers coordinated to rescue the dog was highly professional, with no hesitation despite the dangerous situation.
Rouser, we got the dog out.
look in those dogs' eyes is truly heartbreaking. Hopefully, they will soon have a better life. The bear was likely just panicking, and fortunately, no one was injured. In this area, you really have to stay alert. At all times, wildlife can appear right near residential neighborhoods. In such freezing conditions, they still didn't hesitate to save a life truly admirable. These are some of the most intense and unbelievable moments between police officers and wild animals, captured on camera. If you enjoy realistic body cam videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next episodes.